once again.
What's up, guys? Well, the engine's out. Had a little oil leak, just a little bit. So it's a little bit dirty. Water ports, and I'm gonna take the wiring off the brake boost and clean up a little bit so I can take it to the guy that's gonna paint it and weld the inner fenders. So this is it. So next week I'll be taking off the dash so I can really clean up in here, take off the dash, put insulation on the heater box, and just check around the windshield to see if there's no rust or anything so we can fix it.